This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This check this out you love is undoubtedly hands down incredible. You seriously need to see this. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it is super lightweight and durable. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. Taste standout factor is definitely how it works better than anything else in the market. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's back-ordered everywhere before the price goes back up. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This check this out you love is undoubtedly hands down incredible. You seriously